Imagine having a bathroom that not only serves its functional purpose, but also provides a serene and soothing atmosphere. Today, we're diving into 10 impactful bathroom upgrades, all under $100. These affordable changes can transform your space, enhancing its aesthetic appeal, improving functionality, and even potentially increasing your home's value. So, whether you're a seasoned homeowner or just starting your journey, these design hacks are sure to bring a breath of fresh air to your bathroom. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we bring you the best home design hacks. Starting with an easy yet impactful upgrade, consider refreshing your shower curtain. Often overlooked, a shower curtain significantly influences the overall aesthetic of your bathroom. Switching up your curtain can instantly give your space a new lease on life. Whether you opt for a vibrant pop of color, a chic monochrome pattern, or a tranquil landscape print, the choice is yours. This simple change can dramatically transform your bathroom's ambiance. Remember, the key is to pick a curtain that complements the other elements in your bathroom. Next up, let's illuminate your bathroom with some vanity lighting. Vanity lighting can drastically enhance your bathroom's functionality and overall aesthetics. It not only highlights the beauty of the space, but also makes tasks like makeup application and shaving much easier. Even on a budget, you can find a variety of stylish lighting fixtures that suit your vibe. From sleek pendant lights to classic sconces, the options are endless. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how you use it. With the right lighting, your bathroom can truly shine. Now let's move on to another cost-effective upgrade: floating shelves. These sleek, modern features not only increase your storage space, but also add a dash of visual interest to your bathroom. What's more, they can be easily installed and customized to match your style. Want a rustic look? Choose wood. Prefer something more contemporary? Opt for clear glass. The possibilities are as vast as your imagination. Plus, they're practical too, providing a perfect perch for your toiletries, decor, or even some calming houseplants. Floating shelves, a simple solution for storage and style. On to our fourth upgrade: a framed mirror. A touch of elegance is just what your bathroom needs, and a framed mirror can provide just that. Whether your bathroom leans towards a modern, rustic, or vintage theme, there's a frame style to match. From sleek metal frames for a contemporary look to ornate wooden ones for a classic feel, the possibilities are endless. Even the simplest of mirrors can be transformed into a statement piece with the right frame. A framed mirror, a minor upgrade with a major impact. Next, let's discuss a practical yet impactful upgrade: faucet replacement. The right faucet can instantly modernize your bathroom, offering a fresh and updated appeal. With a multitude of designs available, you can find one that fits your style without breaking the bank. From sleek and minimalist to ornate and vintage, the options are endless. Remember, it's not just about aesthetics. A new faucet can also improve functionality, making your daily routines smoother. A new faucet, a small change that can make a big difference. Moving on to another affordable upgrade: peel and stick tiles. These little wonders are a quick and simple way to transform your bathroom. With their easy installation, you can create a new look in no time. From creating a chic backsplash to giving your floor a fresh, modern vibe, the versatility of these tiles is unmatched. And the best part? No grout, no fuss. Just peel, stick, and voila! A brand new look. Peel and stick tiles, an easy way to add a touch of sophistication. Next up, let's talk about an often overlooked detail: the towel bar. This humble bathroom fixture is more than just a place to hang your towels. A new towel bar can enhance both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your bathroom. With countless designs and finishes available, there's a towel bar to suit every style and budget. From sleek and modern to rustic and charming, you can find the right match that complements your bathroom decor. So why not elevate your bathroom with this simple upgrade: a new towel bar, a functional upgrade with a splash of style. Now, onto an upgrade that can completely transform your bathroom: a paint refresh. Color can significantly influence the ambiance of a space. Soft blues and greens can create a calming oasis, while brighter hues like coral or yellow can invigorate and energize. Trending bathroom colors such as earthy tones or pastels can bring a modern, chic vibe to your space. A fresh coat of paint can truly breathe new life into your bathroom, making it feel cleaner and more spacious. A paint refresh, a cost-effective way to make a big impact. On to our ninth upgrade: new hardware. One of the quickest ways to modernize your bathroom is by replacing old hardware. Think doorknobs, drawer pulls, and even light switch covers. They may seem like small details, but they can make a significant impact on the overall look of your bathroom. And the best part? There's a wide array of affordable hardware styles available, from sleek and modern to vintage and classic. So, whether you're going for a contemporary vibe or a rustic charm, there's something for every taste. New hardware, the perfect finishing touch for your bathroom. Finally, let's discuss a natural upgrade: adding plants to your bathroom. These green companions not only purify your air, but also create a serene environment. They can transform your bathroom into a tranquil oasis, where you can relax in a bubble bath surrounded by lush foliage. But remember, not all plants thrive in bathroom conditions. Choose ones that love humidity and can flourish under low light, like ferns or ivy. So next time you're looking for a bathroom upgrade, consider welcoming some leafy guests. Plants, a natural way to enhance your bathroom's appeal. And there you have it, 10 impactful bathroom upgrades under $100. From refreshing your shower curtain to adding a touch of green with a new plant, these upgrades not only enhance the aesthetics of your bathroom, but also prove that you don't need to break the bank for a revamped look. Whether it's an improved vanity lighting or a simple paint refresh, each upgrade can make a significant difference. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these upgrades. Remember to share, comment, like, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more design hacks.